What's up, guys? Today we're playing Bravo Tale 2 Sons. I'm here with Kelsie.
Hi, I'm trying to get the camera right.
Right, that's fine.
It's too high up. Sorry guys, you can't see the whole screen.
She spent about half an hour trying to do that, the poor girl. And it still hasn't.
Yeah.
You need to move it down because I can't.
No, you used to go down.
Move it down one more. But now it's going to be, up a little bit.
We got 2 boxes, a Pandora box. That's too high. I think we're alright. Is it okay?
Yeah, fine, they can see the words. Right.
I'm gonna spat the whole fucking screen.
Guys, we're gonna start a new game now. Right.
Oh, I have an idea. What's happened?
Oh, so you ready?
Lauren, what's happened? Oh, it's only on the screen. Wait, no.
Right, you ready?
I have an idea. Wait there.
Right, you ready?
Wait, too far.
Come on.
Look, check me out. Just put the box behind us. Equal. Hi.
Watch.
I'm Kelsie.
Watch.
I don't want to watch. I'm singing. I know what happens.
We.
Right, Lauren, we're having bad difficulties.
We kind of got to like halfway through this game, by the way, but we haven't finished it completely. But we thought it'd be a good idea to start a new one into recording. Yeah.
Can I pass the controller? You are your own controller. I'm so sad they can't see.
Well, we can see.
Not the whole screen. It's just white.
Yeah, that's fine.
Oh my hell.
I feel so sorry for this boy because his mum drowned.
I feel sorry for the viewers because they can't see.
It's fine. It's fine.
It's like Jack from Titanic. Leonardo DiCaprio's dead. I love Leonardo.
It looks so bad. It's very fun because wait. No, that's fine because I can see now. This game is like the best test of our friendship, by the way. We might get a bit frustrated with each other, so if
And I might not with that over my face.
if we do swear, I'm sorry, but we will get frustrated.
What did you say?
I don't know, it's in like a weird made up language.
Ghost Town.
I actually really hope we don't get copyrighted for this music.
Stop!
If we try and guess what they're saying, because we can't understand, but should we try and make up dialogue?
No. Come over, my dad needs help. I mean, our dad. I'm the big
Right,
brother,
ready?
aren't I? You went last time.
Ready? Right, this is
Hey,
really
what do
awkward,
we
by
have
the way. Right, we have to hold this
Oh,
and
yeah.
hold this.
What?
don't we? Hold this and hold this, because we got
I remember doing this.
this.
I'm the big brother, aren't I? Yeah.
Yeah, I think
So I want you to be the big brother to be responsible for everything.
Right, go. Where are you going?
Wait, no, that's you! You're the big brother, look at
No, I'm the big brother, right? You need to get...
Hold. Mate, you can't take the whole thing. Lauren, where are you going? Stop moving. Lauren, I'm in control. Just hold it and I'm in control.
Okay.
Right, no, go. Right, move your arms so I can see. Wait, work, hold, right. Fine then, I'm taking it myself. Teamwork. Alright, I'm the steerer. I feel like just letting go and dad's rolling. I'm so harsh.
Can you imagine?
You can't even see on the camera.
Wait, try and adjust the camera so they... Wait, they can see? Where are we?
Oh, we can't roll then.
Try and adjust. Guys, we're trying to adjust so you can see, but it's kind of hard.
Yeah, Lauren's like, I'm the little carrot boy, and Lauren's the big boy. Lauren, stop moving.
Right. Hold on to yours.
And the carrot's falling
Hold
onto
on
my
to
arm.
yours.
Lauren, we got a bad angle. Look at this.
Oh my god. Right, I'm going to leave this in because it's funny. Come on.
Right, don't move, camera, don't move. I'm going to move my leg down there. I'm going to
Right,
turn around. Hey guys.
Right, I'm holding on to the thing. You need to stay. Come on, grab hold of your part, please, Kelsie. It's alright, Father. We'll get you down eventually.
Imagine playing one player, like, you have to do both patches or what?
Yeah, like, it's kind of cool how they do make games like this where if you did play it on your own, there was no way you'd be able to complete it.
Mm.
It's cool how they design it for two people because they could quite easily have done this with one person.
Mm.
It's cool. Oh, how unless you have two people, you literally can't complete it. It's not possible.
Oh, making tracks.
Oh, I suppose it is possible.
You need to do this bit, don't you?
And you need to pull down the lever. I just need to like stand around here. Right, I need to pull down the lever because I'm stronger. Right,
Yeah, I know.
Right, you go over there. I need to pull down the lever.
Let's go, brother.
Right, now I need to come back here.
Just hold on to it, you don't have to go all to it.
God,
Come on, Lauren.
and then I have to go back and pull the lever. Wait, what do I do?
Go
Wait,
to the lever.
no, it's over here. Because you've got to turn that thing right. Oh, my arm, right. You need to come down and get on my shoulders. Right. In the control. You need to jump up on my shoulders. Right, and then you need to let the rope down for me. I climb up and then and now we have to do the twisty thing. Can you bring the controller over here because I feel like I'm sort of leaning. Right. Twisty. How do we do this? Twisty, twisty. Wait, is that up the whole way? Yeah.
Yes, Lauren. I race to family. Stop. Right. This is why I moved it closer to me. Your arm is on my arm.
There go, we've got a cutscene now. Oh, that's a great camera angle.
So sorry, guys. This is the best we can do. Trust me.
Actually, it is alright because when the camera on the game pans round, it's not, it ain't too bad when the camera on the game pans round because they can see everything then.
Can you stop talking in my ear? Hi guys, it's Kelsie here. That's what you're doing. Here's my dad. Oh, we have to go get the ingredients, don't we?
Yeah, we have to go to like a special tree. That's what this whole game is about.
What happens when we